To draw Cancer the crab real easy, you will need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We're going to start by making a bit of a plan, and don't draw too hard. Don't press too hard, it'll be harder to erase later. We're going to start by drawing a kind of a semicircle, an upside down semicircle, and then join together with a little triangle hat on the top like that. And a nice curve there, and then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are just plans to help you. It's a guide like that. So we will start with the eyes, and we will draw 2 ellipses like that, and they're just slightly kind of angled out like that. And we're going to put the eyes in there, and these are like kind of Pac-Man or a chunky letter C. We'll join that with a curve, and we'll go 1 and 2, and then we'll follow that all the way around. And we'll go 1 and 2 and finish. This video is inspired by my book, How to Draw Ancient Greek Stuff Real Easy. You can get it from Amazon or as a download from the links below. Or you can get it free when you support this channel on Patreon. Let's draw the claws next. So we'll draw a curve out there and a curve out there. And then you want to go clip, 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 and then a big one like that. So we go clip, 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 and then a big curve. Draw new curves coming out that way, and then clip, clip, clip that way. Clip, clip. I don't know why I'm saying clip, but anyway, there you go. Now let's do the legs, and we will go 1, 2, 3 across like that. In, in, in. 1, 2, 3 straight across. 1, 2 to the point. 1, 2, 3 and back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and down like that. 1, 2, 3 and down, up and across and back. So we go 1, 2, 3 and back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to a point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to a point. 1, 2, 3. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines. You might want to add some bit of shading going up there, and then we can put a bit there too, and some coming down here. So this is starting pretty much with a dot and then getting bigger and bigger and bigger. These little kind of flicks as we come around here, and then as we come around they will get smaller and smaller into a dot at the top. Maybe put a little bit like that. We want some shading on the legs, under the legs like that, to make the shell stand forward. And there you go, how to draw Cancer the crab real easy. Remember, you can get the book Draw Ancient Greek Stuff Real Easy from the link down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.